Is a synthetic wig, but girl, look at it. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanicoco, and if this is the first time that you are tuning in to my channel, you are welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I will be giving my sincere review on this unit right here. Get into it, get into this hair. I will be giving my honest review on this product that I got off Amazon. I'll be sharing with you all the details on this hair, how much I got it, the length, the weight, the color, everything. So if you know that you want to know more about the hair, please continue watching and don't forget to click the like button if you are enjoying this video, and also to subscribe to my channel if you're not already doing so. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, okay? Okay, so to begin, the company that I got this hair from is called Vigorous Beauty. I got this hair off on Amazon, but the manufacturer's name is called Vigorous Beauty. This hair is in a color chocolate with dark roots. So I'm just gonna bend so you can see it. And the length of this hair is about 30 inches, so it goes all the way down. And when I purchased this hair from Amazon, it came with a wig cap and also a pair of lashes. So 2 wig caps and a pair of lashes, and also the hair. I'm gonna leave the description to the hair and where you can find the store in the description box, so don't forget to look on there if you'd like to purchase this hair. Next, I'm gonna go into the pros and cons of this hair, okay? So without further ado, let's do this. And one of the major pros for me with this hair, meaning, you know, the major reasons why I like this hair, is as a brown skinned girl, you find it really difficult to find hair of color that actually suits you and blends with your skin tone perfectly. And this color is in chocolate with dark roots. So if I bend down, can you see right there? So you see the roots are darker, and the color on the body is like chocolate brown. Another reason why I love this hair a lot is also because of the price. I got it for $19.99, which is approximately $20. Look at this hair right here. Come on. I think it's a good deal for the kind of quality that you're getting. And this hair is synthetic. Yes, this is a synthetic hair. But yeah, seriously, this is a synthetic hair, and it looks really, really natural. And I particularly like, you see there's like a part right there, and you can put, like, you know, your concealer there, you know, just to make it more realistic looking. One of the reasons why I love the hair. I'm just gonna go and give you like a show reel of the hair. see, this hair is nice. So this is what it looks like. And this is in 30 inches like I mentioned earlier on, and the weight is about 250 grams, so it's not too heavy, but you know, it gives you like a full coverage in terms of like density and weight. So I really like this, and I like the color as well. Now I'm also going to go into the cons, because you know I have to be really honest with you. The cons for this hair is because it is synthetic, it tends to shed a lot. So what I would say with regards to that is, you know, when you're combing it, try not to manipulate it too much. So get a brush that is, you know, like a detangler brush, and just brush through gently so that the shedding isn't as much. But over time, I feel like this hair can be worn any way you would like to, and I also think that it's very versatile. Like I can play with it right there like this, and you see, and I can also wear it in like a ponytail if I wanted to, right there. Yeah, so it would still give me whatever look, and it's really secure. So it has some combs here, some combs at the bottom as well, and it also has the band, so it's secure. You're not scared that someone is going to drag your wig off, and that will be a different issue. So the hair is really secure. So yes, there we have it. Those are my pros and my cons of the hair and how much the hair cost. And if you would like to purchase this hair, I would leave the link in the description box so that you can go ahead and do that. And the reason why I am sharing my review with you is because sharing is caring, or caring is sharing. How do they say that? But yes, you understand what I'm trying to say. If I see a good thing, I would like to share it with people so that they can also hop on it and, you know, look as good as I do right now. I mean, all right, so if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be notified. And also subscribe to this channel if you are not already doing so. If you like, you can also sprinkle a little comment for me in the comment section. That would really help in your support of this channel, and it would also grow my interaction with you, and I'll get to know you even better. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.